What's up, baby?
It's really easy to put back in.
What'd you just do?
Just put my tooth in.
Let me see. Looks a little gross. How'd it come out?
Oh, I was chewing my rubber noodles that are high because this one was wiggly. So then I chewed it and I went like that and I pulled it out.
And what were they called?
Ramen noodles.
Robin noodles. Did you know robin noodles are supposed to be soft?
When you cook them,
And why wasn't yours soft?
because I didn't cook mine.
Why didn't you cook yours?
Because I like them not cooked. Are you videotaping me?
Yes.
Why?
Does
Are
it?
you going to put me on YouTube?
I could.
Yeah, do it, do it, do it.
Okay.
That's it.
Is there anything else you want to tell the world?
I love God.
Yay! I love you.
Mm.